And the photograph of both the trunks before it was locked, the control room was locked after they were brought from the safe vault of the bank. And when they were opened again for all other witnesses and all, that photographs also we have given, my lord.
And the control room is under, the lock of the control room is in whose custody?
My lord, there are two doors to the control room,
right.
This particular control. The front door was locked in front of everybody and the key was with the central superintendent. But the inside bolt of the rear door was kept deliberately open by the central superintendent as well as the city coordinator as part of the conspiracy.
To allow somebody to
enter. And this person whom I named just now was sitting in the staff room, whose door is just adjacent to this rear door of the control room. It is hardly 2 steps to open the other door and enter this door. So 7:53, the front door of the control room is locked and everybody goes to inspect the examination halls, etc. From the rear door at 8:02, this man enters.
Only a minute. At this juncture, please see second status report, page 11.
So this man enters at about 8:03, about 8 o'clock. 8:02. He enters from behind. That is recorded. Movement is recorded on the CCTV. And he leaves at about 8:23.
9:23.
So he is inside for almost 1.5 hours.
Because, my lord, there are 7 layers of packing. What we showed, my lordship, is only an individual question paper which comes in this packet of 72 questions. And this is again put in a trunk. Then trunk has 2 locks in the front. And trunk is put in another carton box where the image can be seen at page number 11 of the second status.
If you open the trunk from behind.
He has opened the trunk from behind. The pivots.
How to use that? What kind of equipment did he have to open the trunk?
He had an exhaustive toolkit bag. The bag was kept in the control room by the central superintendent on the 4th.
Security surrounding that control room where the trunks were placed.
My lordship, it's the responsibility of the central superintendent itself.
He is a party to it.
He has a party to it. He kept the
toolkit,
which is given by same accused 2 days prior, and he keeps it there. This man he doesn't carry the toolkit because he comes out empty-handed. That is also said. He just clicks on his phone, digital photographs, and walks off. He enters the campus at 7:12 and goes into the staff room and sits there. At 8:02, he enters the control room, and 9:23 he exits the control room, and 9:24 he exits the center.
How do we sort of hypothesize that this main accused Pankaj, that he sent the images of he first took a photograph, then he takes it to the problem solvers.
He sends it immediately after he exits the campus to the problem solvers.
Problem solvers are also in Hazaribagh.
They are in Hazaribagh in a guest house called, which is named in our report, my lord, on the 3rd floor.
Now,
and there is a printer there.
Right, and from once they are solved by the problem solvers, they are remitted by whom? Again, by the same accused?
By the same accused. Pankaj also goes to that same location. And they have a group of several people there, about 9 persons.
How do we rule out this, that Pankaj may have sent it to other locations also?
But so far, from the investigation and interrogation of the accused, we found only 4 locations, my lord, 2 in Patna, 2 in Hazar. And the top gangster is somebody. Below that, there are about 5 main persons, out of which 3 we have arrested and they are in our custody. And we have interrogated them. And below that, they have some people who mobilize the candidates, some people who identify the safe house, some people who...
Is the top gangster also in custody or not?
Not yet.
solvers are in custody, how did the solvers actually transmit? They were solving. Were they solving the questions?
Solvers-
They were solving them on paper. What were they doing?
Yeah, my lord. For example, my lordship may see page 50 and 51. You can see the tick marks on the hard copy, half burnt papers. The size of this tick mark is different from the size of the tick mark which we recovered from the candidate, the girl candidate of Oasis. She has put a small tick. And in that, for every question, there is only one tick, what she thought it was the correct answer. So this tick is on another hard copy,
No, one clarification.
on a printout.
The man enters that control room, what control room?
Control room they call it. It's a hall.
According to you, he was in that room for 1 hour and
20 minutes, 21 minutes.
he must have taken time to open the trunk from behind. He took out one question paper which unfortunately was given to that girl. Then he clips pictures on his mobile. From his mobile, he forwards it to the solvers.
Not to the solvers, my lord. He forwards it to one of their own counterpart who is with the solvers.
He forwards it to X. X is in company of the solvers as the guest officer.
Yes.
Then he must have parted that to the solvers.
He takes a hard printout.
This is that burnt thing is the hard print.
Printout. It's
One-
called printout.
1 second.
Okay, so
Sol-
after the solvers call the question paper.
It's again scanned
By whom?
by the same accused who are there with him.
Or the
Pankaj
other person
also,
was there. Pankaj is also there.
Pankaj is also.
And this scanned copy, has been sent to Patna.
Yes.
Other than one more at Hazaribagh and one at Patna.
My lord,
So we have no forensic, we don't have forensic data to, if we had forensic data, then there would be electronic footprints, that this was sent to this was sent to this number, this was sent to this number.
That is why I give the figures, because the time available for them to impart this, whatever they have stolen, was hardly 1.5 hours to 2 hours. And therefore, even the students who are now caught, those who are beneficiaries according to us,
Because you know what?
they also did not fare well.
Earlier we thought that, that after he takes the photographs, that he comes to the center at about 9:30 and 45 minutes is given to the problem solvers. No, the problem solvers probably got the question paper at 8:30 itself.
no, my lord, at around 9:24, after he comes out, he transmits as per the
That's the statements of
interrogation statement. Of
These are the statements.
His mobile is not available, and that co-conspirator in Hazaribagh,
Hazaribagh's guest house is not so far away. Even the person who received, we have arrested in Hazaribagh.
like Abdullah.